Hi guys, good evening from Newcastle. So today I would like to do a room tour as my friends requested. I stay in Crystal House of Havelock Hall in the Castle Leazes. I got Capcut accommodation, and FYI, it's not as bad as what I expected based on the Google review. So I think it depends on which house and which building that you got. Castle Leazes was not my first choice, but I just get it. I shared the bathroom and the shower with, I think that's 16 of my flatmates. My friends shared with like 4 people, some of them with 10 people. As I heard, Cresta is one of the newest building. I don't know, people say it. And there's few things that I need to tell you beforehand. So I will be here just for a few months, so I don't have any intention to decorate my room, so it's all just basic. I become minimalist when I came here because everything is just basic for me. So yeah, let's go and see my room. By the way, the wind today is too strong and I have class after this and I'm not feeling very well. So this is the view when I enter my room. So that's my shoes. Okay, let's talk about the bed first. So this bed actually was not in this position. It was like close to the window, and after 1 week I felt very cool at night when I sleep. And this heater, they put timer on it. It will turn off from 12 at the midnight until 7 a.m. And I asked them, they said because we are sleeping that time, so they turn it off. I don't know what's the relevance. By the way, since I am international student, so they prepared me the duvet and the duvet cover, and then the bed sheet, and also the 2 pillows, except this one I bought from Malaysia. Yeah, it's all just basic. Really, I think that this mattress is not that nice for me because I can feel the spring whenever I sit, and my friend got a very good mattress. Yeah, and I'm very lazy to complain, so just a few months I'll just bear with it. And then as you see, there are 2 drawers. So actually both of these drawers are placed at this side, but I changed the position. And then this is the window. So as you can see, the window can only be open at this point, I think because of, I don't know, safety issues. And I have the other window as well, so I actually can see my neighbor from here. Okay, I'm not trying to stalk anyone, but you can see that actually my room is a little bit bigger than my neighbor because of this extension. Lucky me. For this drawer, I think there's a lot of compartments. Can I open it? Okay. Yeah, I put few things in here. Okay. And then this one also has 2 compartments. For the desk, they provide us the study lamp. So actually it's quite bright for me. It's bright, okay. And then the desk is quite big for me, and I like the chair because they have the, what we call it, the wheel. And then I brought the extension from Malaysia and kettle. So actually there is kettle provided in the kitchen. I will show you guys later. And there are 3 shelves here. This set of dining ware they provided for us for the international students. And these are the food stocks that I got. I actually cooked in the room and the fire alarm started to ring. I bought a fan heater from someone that cost me around £8, I think, after negotiating. And then this is where you can hang your towel, and there's my cap. The best part in my room is, I think, is my wardrobe because of the lighting. The lighting is so good. I always do TikTok here, and this is the wash basin. So I got wash basin room, Capcut, with shared kitchen and bathroom and shower. Here you have the cold water and the hot water, and in the UK you can drink straight away from the tap water, but I haven't tried yet. So these all are my skincares. And then here you can put your bag and actually put my hijab here. Okay, this is the wardrobe. There are so many compartments. NGL, guys. Okay, let's start with this one. So when I arrived here, there were no hangers at all, and I spent 2 days searching for hangers, asking people around, and I finally found it at Wilko. This is my clothes, and then here also my clothes and my hijab. And there's one drawer here, but I didn't put anything. And then there's many drawers, guys. Seriously, I didn't use all of it. It's quite tight. Okay, yeah, it's a big compartment. I didn't put anything. Excuse me. And then here I put my clothes, my inner, and this one is private. This one is my medicine. It's all out of stock. I need to top up. This one is my this one is my accessories, and then this is my scrubs and my hijab, and then I put detergents there. There's laundry here, and you need to pay 1.1 pound for dryer and another 1.1 for washer. I've tried it yesterday and it's not that bad, but it's full all the time. I think that's it. That's it. There's lighting here. Yeah. And then this is the fire alarm. I have traumatic experience and I just cooked just now. So now I'm going to show you the kitchen. Let's see. Oh, this is the kitchen. There is a trash bin, and then each of the flatmates have their own storage food. They have oven here, the stove, the microwave, the kettle, and the toaster. So this is mine, Maggie for life. And then there is a chiller here. It's full. And then you are lucky if you got freezer here, because some flats don't have freezer. Yeah, let's go to the shower. So there are 3 toilets here. Cleaning store. You can have iron board, mop, vacuum, and it's freaking heavy. And then the broom, and yeah, I think that's it. So this is the showers, and I think they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shower. This is me. This is the communal area, and I haven't been in here, and they like to party here at night. It's like I think this is the size of the normal room, but I'm not sure. So this is where you can socialize with your flatmates or your friends and have party here maybe. Yep. And then this is the dining room. So this is where you can eat with your flatmate. I think this was a room actually, but they changed. There is the reception. So that building is the dining hall building if you guys got Capcut package, and it's in the reception block. That's Berwick House. I'm gonna go back to my room because I have class. So when you got out of your room, you need to tap to lock it, and it's locked. And then you need to tap to open it. Yeah. Ta-da! Okay. So that's it, guys. I need to go. I think we have came to the end of the video, and I'm so sorry if this video is a little bit boring for you guys because I have been feeling very unwell and excuse me. Okay, that's not fake. I have been feeling very unwell and I need to rush because I have classes after this and I have many SDLs work to do. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it could help a little bit for you to decide which accommodation you like. But if you have any inquiries about Castle Leazes accommodation, just DM me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in next video. Bye bye.